My Japanese practice 動詞 Verb て-form Part 2 Let's continue. Next one. When you connect verbs to describe a process in order of actions, te-form is useful. Let's check with examples. 急いで行って買いました。急いで行って買った。I hurried, went, and bought. プールへ行って泳いで帰りました。プールへ行って泳いで帰った。I went to pool, swam, and returned home. You can describe your acts in order like this way. Please note, te-form itself doesn't have tense or style, so the last predicate of the sentence decided them. In the first sentence, 買いました is the last predicate, right? Its mass forms past, so this sentence is past tense in polite style. If you use 買った ta-form as the last predicate, the sentence is past casual. Same thing in second sentence. 帰りました is past polite. If you use 帰った、the sentence style becomes casual. Okay? One more example. 友達と会って映画を見て食事をしました。友達と会って映画を見て食事をした。I met friend, saw movie, and had a meal. When you were asked what you did on the weekends, you can describe your acts in order like this way. Next, verb て-form プラスくれます。We use this pattern when you'd like to add your gratitude to someone's act to you or people on your side. If you try to say it in English, someone kindly do me a favor. Let's see the difference between without and with the pattern. Imagine, at your birthday, your friend played your favorite song on the piano. There are two sentences to describe it. First one is without the pattern. 彼は私にピアノを弾きました。He played the piano to me. It sounds you were just telling the fact that he played the piano in front of you. To add your gratitude for his kind act, let's use the pattern て-form プラスくれます。Here, 弾いてくれました。So, 彼は私にピアノを弾いてくれました。The meaning will be, he kindly played the piano for me. In English, you might divide this difference by 2 and 4. I recommend that you use this pattern when you describe someone's kind act to you. See some more examples. 姉は私に夕食を作ってくれました。My sister kindly cooked dinner for me. 父は私を旅行に連れて行ってくれました。My father kindly took me to the trip. Next, verb て-form プラスもらいます。We use this pattern when you receive someone's kind act. If you try to say it in English, I have someone kindly do me a favor. Now, the subject is receiver of someone's kind act. Let's check with example. 私は彼に服を買ってもらいました。I had him kindly buy me clothes. The subject, which is 私, is a receiver of his kind act, right? If you change the subject and say the same thing with before mentioned pattern, て-form プラスくれました。彼は私に服を買ってくれました。He kindly bought me clothes. The subject, which is 彼, is a giver of kind act to the speaker. Okay? Next example. 私は友達にレポートを手伝ってもらいました。I had my friend kindly help with report. The subject, which is 私, is a receiver of friend's kind act. Next one. 友達がレポートを手伝ってくれました。My friend kindly helped me with report. The subject, which is 友達 friend, is a giver of kind act. You see the difference? Subject changed, but the fact is same. What about this one? 母に時計を買ってもらいました。I had my mother kindly buy me a watch. The subject, which is I, 私, omitted here, is a receiver of mother's kind act. Next one. 母が時計を買ってくれました。My mother kindly bought me a watch. The subject, which is 母, mother, is a giver of kind act. Okay? Next expression may be a bit unfamiliar to you. Verb て-form プラスあげます。We use this pattern when you'd like to add a nuance that your act is with goodwill. If we try to say it in English, I kindly do something for someone. Please look at the first sentence. When you say, あなたにこの本を貸します。It means, I will lend this book to you. If you'd like to add a nuance that your act, here lending book, is with your goodwill, you would use this pattern. て-form of lend 貸してプラスあげます。貸してあげます。The sentence will be あなたにこの本を貸してあげます。If you translate it to English, it would be I will kindly lend this book for you. Some more examples. 今日は好きなものを作ってあげます。I will kindly cook your favorite dish today. 後でレシピを教えてあげます。I will kindly teach you the recipe later. I know this sounds a bit patronizing to you. Actually, it doesn't have much meaning, and we just have accustomed to use this. But because of properties of expression, it's better not to use it to your senior or people you don't know very much. Okay? That's all for now. How did it go? Repeat till you get enough. You can check my Japanese word series for your vocabulary building. And if you want to learn how to make each conjugation form, please go to my Japanese grammar series.